Hey guys, I feel like I've really been keeping my shopping addiction tame. And I feel like a lot of that has to do with the fact that I've been working with Edikted for a little while now. I've just gotten the chance to try out a lot of their clothes, and fortunately and thankfully, and I'm so grateful for this, but they decided to actually send me another package so I could test out more of their clothes. If you're new here, my name's Angelina. I give you brutally honest reviews of clothes because I'm obsessed and I love it and I love fashion. I've already made 2 other videos on this, so you could definitely go watch those. We have some tea today. Again, we have some good, some bad, and I'm also just helping you, like, if you already wanted to purchase things from Edikted and weren't sure about the size guide in like certain items, this is the video for you. I have another 10 items today to show you guys to try on. We're gonna be going through it together. You can use my code for 10% off, and I'm also gonna be posting collab photos with them on my Instagram, so if you want to see how I'm wearing them, you can definitely go check that out. Usually the way I start these are I start with some good stuff, some juicy stuff, and then I go into the nitty-gritty and talk about certain things that weren't my faves or that didn't fit me. I really do want to go into a very girly lounge set. I got this pink pair of sweatpants. I wear sweats like every single day. I've probably worn this outfit on my YouTube channel like 35 million times, just because it's like the easiest thing ever. I loved this color. I needed to try these. I thought this top was really cute. We could all use some basics that have a little pizzazz to them, and this one is a really cute pink long sleeve, and it says "Dream About Me" on it. And the thing about this is that it's not too direct. It's not like in bold, so no one's looking at you and being like, oh my god, look what it says on her shirt. But I also think it's like very cute and very like, I'm a confident girly. Here's the first set on. Honestly, I love it so much. The pants, so freaking comfortable. Like, genuinely, it's giving kind of like that Aritzia sweat set look. Waistband, super stretchy, so I would say definitely to size. I got this in a size small. This top, so breathable, so stretchy. It's not sheer, but it's also very light. It's like any kind of tank top material, and it does feel really good. Nothing about it is uncomfortable. Nothing about it is itchy, which I think is so good. Overall, I really love it. Honestly, this is probably one of my favorites. You can definitely wear these pants like rolled up as well, which I don't even know how that looks right now because I don't have a mirror in this room. I think I'm gonna jump right in and start with the ones that obviously did not fit me and that I low-key have a bone to pick with. Not the white shirt, but I had such an issue this time around with the bottoms, the pants in particular. They were not fitting me. The company is so nice though. Like, that's something that's really good. They weren't like, these suck. They automatically reached out and were like, okay, pick either new items or like a different size or whatever you want. And I was like, that's so nice. That's so sweet. Especially because this did kind of happen last time as well. If you watched the last video, there were items that literally couldn't go up my legs. It was an issue and a half, but it's okay. That's just the way it is. I obviously had previous pants from them before. I've gotten them in a size small. They were perfect. I love them. Some of my favorite pants. I get compliments about them all the time, okay? The ones in particular that I'm talking about are the black sparkly pants. So the first pants I'm going to talk about are these jeans. I have 2 of them, you can see, because I really like the pants. Like, I really wanted them to fit me. I originally got them in a size small, then I got them in a size medium. Pants themselves are so cute. I will be trying them on for you. The thing about them, I think I would have gotten them in a size large. I think that would have been my preferred fit, but I'll show it for you guys just so that you can get like a better look of it. For now, I'm just gonna be trying it on with this sweater. No issues with this sweater. I literally love it. Let's just put it on. So this is the fit. Trying it on the second time around, I'm really liking it even more. The sweater, so bomb. I love it. I feel like this part, the fact that it's cinched, whereas like this is oversized, makes it look absolutely amazing. Yeah, I love off the shoulder shit. Now getting into the pants, love the wash. I feel like they're adorable. That's why I wanted them. They're just everything. Honestly, looking at them the second time around, they do look like they actually fit really well. I don't know if they say that they're oversized for these. I think I just maybe assumed. I would recommend sizing up for these pants. For me personally, they were too tight, especially if you like something that's a bit more breathable. I'm gonna try these jeans with other items so that I can like show you that it's pretty universal. But the next item that I wanted to show you is another white sweater, another white off the shoulder sweater. These are some of my favorites. I have never owned them. They are the best things ever. I obviously have other off the shoulder tops, but I don't have other off the shoulder sweaters, especially with school, with anything casual where you also want to look cute. You could dress this up, dress it down. If you're going to a dinner, you can even wear a sweater. Like, what the heck? I feel like they would honestly look really good with these jeans. This is the top on with the jeans. I really want to move my hands, but I'm very, very worried. Some of my concerns. So like, my guess is that the fold over part is not supposed to go over your boobs. I wish it would have, just because since the top is white, then it would have been a lot easier. If you look at this, like, it covers nothing. So I'm guessing it's just meant like if I put my shoulders. It's supposed to fold over like mini, which honestly is not bad at all. Like, now that I'm realizing its purpose, I think it's like meant for that. I don't think it's see-through. Yeah, hopefully it's not see-through. I guess when I watch this video back, I'll be able to know or not. I feel like what's really good about this top is that there is a lot of good construction to it, if that makes any sense. I'll explain. There's like a wire here. It's not like a wire, it's more of like a part that's made with like a rubberish type of stretch. So it is still stretchy, but it's like sticks to your body almost, so it doesn't move up and down. It kind of sticks in place, which is really, really good. I love it. I also love the fact that it kind of like swoops down like this. I feel like it gives a lot of shape. When I saw this item, I need to cop her. She's been a day one on my radar. I wanted to have her. I needed her. It's this cropped little denim jacket, but overall I love the wash. It's kind of like a distressed vintage almost look to it, and I really like her. I honestly feel like I would find something like this in a thrift vintage store. I do think I like it. I just don't think I like it with the jeans. The shape to it, I wish it was a bit more constructed fit. I feel very comfortable with the fit. I just think I would wear it more with like a skinnier flared pant, let's say, with like a pointed heel. Like that's what I really see it with. Something really strange that I saw was a girl who had worn this. She was a celebrity, and she had worn this jacket with these track pants. These track pants were another one that the original size small did not fit me, so I did size up to get a medium. In my opinion, they just did not fit me the best, especially with this. I found it so ugly on me. I was like, oh my god. I honestly thought that she ate it up. I don't know, not me though. It's not that it's not gonna go up your waist, it's more just like, is it gonna look like it's like squishing on your stomach? On the bottom of the pants, there's like these ties. You can tie them and it's like supposed to make a bow. I'm embarrassed right now. I can't even look at myself. But this is the outfit that she wore, and I thought it was so cute. Honestly, no thoughts. I hate it so much. I feel like this looks like it's not shaping me at all. This looks like it's not shaping me at all. And I might as well be wearing a sack of potatoes. I rolled this part just because I couldn't deal with it, okay? And giving like Adidas. I had a pair of like red ones like these when I was younger, and I have them there. I have to take it off because it's putting me in a bad mood. Before I take them off though, I'm gonna be showing you the third pair of pants that did not fit me, and after that's done. These I thought were so cute. I don't own any black pairs of jeans, and I thought that they would be so slay, so useful. The small did not fit me again. Could not close them. The medium, again, I remember in the moment when I tried them on, I did feel like I would have rathered a large. I don't know how I'm feeling right now. I do really like the pants. Honestly, I like the fact that they have the stripes on the bottom. They also have like that bow thing that I talked to you about with the other pants. Like they have like the ties, so you make like a bow at the end, which I find very cute. We're getting down to the end of the video, okay? This is the second to last item, and I really like her. Actually, to explain this might be a little difficult. This is the top. When I put it on, it's gonna look like a tube top. But then there's this thing, and this is the back, but this collar thing goes over your neck part, so it's almost like a tube top with a neck thing. It is very stretchy, and they have that like rubber band at the top type of thing so that it doesn't fall down, especially throughout the night. We do not want that. When we go to a club, when we go to dinner, we don't want to be pulling an Alyssa Violet where we're pulling up our top every 3 seconds. Honestly, I'm loving this. I love this top. Here's what the back looks like. But yeah, that's kind of like the overall look of it. I even like it with the pants. I feel like it's really cute because it can be like dressed up or dressed down, make it like how you want to make it look. I think this is probably my favorite outfit actually. But the last item, I didn't know how I was gonna feel about it. I wanted to try something a bit new, but this is like a lacy mini skirt, and it kind of has like a floral detail to it. It is double layered. This is kind of the bottom part, and it has the lace that goes over it, which thank fucking god, can't do it with the full lace outfits. It's really difficult and it's hard to wear out. But I remember I really do like it. Addicted makes mini skirts. When you're buying from them, if you don't like them to be really short, I don't know if it's for you. But yeah, this is the fit. I love it. So comfortable. I feel like this is very different than stuff that I would honestly have bought for myself. These have been my overall thoughts on everything that has to do with Addicted. This is the big mess that I've made. I honestly can never do this in like a clean and normal way. I just throw everything everywhere. This is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you wanted to shop any of these items or shop from Addicted at all, definitely use my code for 10% off. And yeah, definitely go follow my Instagram too if you want to see some of these fits come to life. Definitely subscribe if you're new. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.